Let me ask you something. What if you could start understanding real Spanish without memorizing grammar, without boring textbooks, without ever feeling lost again? What if all you had to do was just listen? Because that's exactly what thousands of people are now discovering, that you don't have to study Spanish to learn it. You just have to absorb it. If you've tried any traditional method, if you've watched YouTube lessons, or wrestled with grammar books that made you want to give up, you're not alone. You're not lazy. You're not bad at languages. You've just been taught wrong. Traditional language programs force you to memorize endless rules and drills. They make you think about Spanish instead of feeling it. And the result? You waste time, lose motivation, and start believing maybe you just can't learn languages. But deep down, you know that's not true. You can learn. You just haven't found the right way yet. At SpanishForNewbies.com, we do things completely differently. No grammar drills, no flashcards, no stress. We call it Spanish by ear, not by effort. You'll get over 400 immersive audio lessons and even binaural sound technology that helps your brain absorb Spanish effortlessly just by listening. It's like learning Spanish the same way kids learn their first language, naturally, intuitively, without trying. Picture this. You're in Madrid or Mexico City, and someone says, "Hola, ¿cómo estás?" And this time, you don't freeze. You understand them. You smile and answer, naturally, confidently. That's when you realize you're not learning Spanish anymore. You've become someone who speaks Spanish. Maybe you're thinking, but I've tried before and failed. That's okay. Those programs made you memorize. We help you internalize. Or maybe you're saying, I don't have time. Perfect, you don't need it. Just 10 minutes a day while driving, cooking, or walking, and your brain will start to recognize patterns automatically. And no, this isn't a $200 course or a monthly subscription. It's just $27 total, a single dinner out, for a lifetime skill. Here's the truth. Every day you wait, another week passes where you still can't understand Spanish. Another trip goes by where you stay quiet. Another opportunity slips away. But today, you can change that. In just 5 minutes, you could be listening to your first Spanish audio lesson and thinking, wow, I actually get this. So if you've ever dreamed of speaking Spanish, if you've ever wanted to connect, travel, and grow, this is your moment. Join SpanishForNewbies.com today. Because learning Spanish doesn't have to be hard. It just has to be heard. Start listening now and let your Spanish journey begin by ear, not by effort. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need years of study. You just need to start. Because soon, you won't be the person trying to learn Spanish. You'll be the person who speaks it. SpanishForNewbies.com.